This is $100 not deposit that I've been able to claim, and there is withdrawal proof already, which means it's real. And in this video, I'll be showing you how you can claim the bonus, how you can trade with this bonus, and how you can also withdraw your money. You can do all of this without having to deposit any of the money. As you know, on this channel, I drop videos on Forex no deposit bonus, crypto talks, and how we can make money online in 2025 for free. So if you know this is your first time of you coming across this channel, make sure you like, you share, you comment from the country you're watching from so I can drop videos for your country. And most importantly, you subscribe and don't forget to turn on your notification button so you can get updates on the videos I drop concerning Forex no deposit bonus, crypto talks, and how you can make money online in 2025 for free. To get the link to this platform, check the description of this video. It will take you to my Telegram channel. Make sure you join. Then you click on the link that is there. It will take you to the site where we are going to register for the bonus. So after clicking on it, it will bring you right to this part here where you have to register. Of course, you already know the drill. All you have to do is just drop your full name, your country, your phone number, then you agree to the terms and conditions that is there and click on confirm. And now they'll be sending you a code to your email. You should be going to your Gmail to get the code, and you come back here and paste it and click on confirm. As you can see showing right on the screen, this is the code I got from the site. So now I'll be copying it, then of course I'll be pasting it here, then I'll click on confirm. As you can see, it's loading. While waiting for this to load, make sure you share, you like, you comment, and subscribe to this channel, and make sure you stick to the end of this video so you don't miss out on the details I'll be dropping. So after you have successfully opened an account with them, now we'll be moving to the second stage, which is for us to download the app on our Google Play Store. So to download the app, all you have to do is just click on the Get on Google Play Store showing on the screen, or you can get it from your App Store or your app gallery. But I'm using an Android phone, so I'll be using Get on Google Play. As you can see right shown on the screen, I've installed the app. So here I'll be clicking on open, and for those of you that don't have the app, you install it. So after that, I'll be going to the app right now. As you can see showing on the screen, so you'll be entering your email address. Then after that, you click on continue. So after that, they'll be sending you a code to your email. Then you'll be pasting the code here, and of course you click on continue. Then after that, they'll ask you to set up your own code just like a password. So you set your own code, then they'll ask you to confirm, then you input the code you used before. So after that, all you have to do right here is just click on the menu button at the left hand corner there. Then after that, you click on my profile right here. Then you go in to make your verification because you have to verify your details. Then after that, as you can see right shown on the screen, you click on verify your identity. Yeah. So to verify your ID, you can either use your passport, your national ID card, or your driving license. As for me, I'll be going with my national ID card. Then so now I'll be snapping the front of the ID card. And after that, I'll be taking the back picture as well, because we'll be going in with 3 steps. So the first step is taking the picture of the front card. Then I'll upload the back one as well. Then take a selfie with the card. And as you can see shown on the screen, photo sent, and it will be reviewed soon. Then you click on OK. So now I'll be waiting patiently for them to review the picture. As you can see, we're waiting for verification. So after waiting for a few minutes, I went back to check if my account has been verified, and here it is, the account has already been verified. So now I'll be showing you how you can claim the bonus. The next thing for you to do is just click on that menu button. So yeah, we'll be clicking on the bonuses. As you can see, they're offering different bonus: no deposit bonus, welcome bonus, trading credit, gift, and promo coupons. But as for, we'll be going for the no deposit bonus. So here we'll be choosing the account number to which you would like to receive the no deposit bonus. So just click on it, and So you'll be selecting the account. We already created the account when we registered. And note the account you'll be creating is MT4. So you select the account and you click on continue. Then to bring you right to this part, as you can see, congratulations, no deposit bonus has been successfully credited to the account. So here we have the $100 no deposit bonus that we can use to start trading with. And as you can see, this is our details concerning the bonus. So now we'll be going to our Gmail to check for our login details that we'll be using for our MetaTrader 4. As soon as we did the registration earlier, they had already sent the login details. So you just head over to your Gmail, get your login details, then you move to your MetaTrader 4, then you can get the bonus there. Yeah, so as for the terms and condition applied in making withdrawals, all you have to do is just make sure you trade with 30 lot size, then you'll be able to withdraw your profit. Just make sure you meet with your requirement. Don't forget 30 lot size. Don't forget we are dealing with a real account here. All you have to do is just click on Xchief Real, then you the login details you got from your Gmail, you'll be pasting it here. Then after that, you click on sign in. So we're waiting patiently for it to load. Then as you can see, it's connecting. Then here we have our $100 no deposit bonus that we can use to start trading with without stress. So don't forget to like, share, you comment, and you subscribe. And also turn on your notification button because I'll be dropping more videos on crypto talks, Forex no deposit bonus, and how you can make money online in 2025. Thank you for watching this video.